That is when you have the IR, ER team. Nak pergi rotunda disciplinary action. So there are a lot of pillars in a HR. But of course, in small businesses, that HR is satu orang. Everything combined in one. But if you go to all these very large established company, dia punya HR team memang sangat besar.
Sangat besar.
Sebab everybody is focused on one particular duty. They have the recruitment team, onboarding team, L&D team, the com and band team, payroll team, semua lain.
So sepanjang macam anti kerja kan, macam operational dengan manage people, jaga orang ataupun buat kerja mana lagi senang?
Jaga orang is never easy, okay? Dia tak akan
berbanding dengan kerja buat kerja operation.
Of course, you buat kerja sendiri lagi senang lah. Sebab you tanggungjawab kerja you je. Bila you ada team, semua salah bos.
Tapi naratif dekat social media, most of the time naratif kat social media ni, HR yang paling jahat. HR toxic, HR jaga bos, HR bos jahat. Semua HR. Apa you punya take on that?
I am very fortunate lah. I rasa saya lucky lah kan. All my life HR I okay je. Dia tak toxic. Dia tak bagus sangat. Dia okay lah.
Tapi in general your take on HR toxic, HR jahat.
All my experience with HR before I was HR okay je. I only know how terrible HR is after I keluar social media.
Oh, iya ke?
I terkejut, okay? Number one, I terkejut how uneducated people are with their own employee rights.
Okay.
Like benda macam cuti tahunan lah, probationer lah, MC lah. Dia punya hak sendiri pun dia tak tahu, okay?
Betul.
Dia tak tahu. Then, when they say, oh, my boss did this, dia tak compliant to the law. When I talk to a few SME bosses especially, dia pun tak tahu sebenarnya. Bukannya diorang jahat tau. Diorang betul-betul tak fasih undang-undang. So I find it so shocking, macam culture shock.
Itulah, kalau macam kat social media pun, bila I live kan, every time I live, I banyak terima orang punya macam luahan perasaan. Dan yang paling I terkejut adalah masih lagi di zaman 2025 ni, masih lagi ada orang kerja tak ada offer letter.
Betul?
Macam mana boleh berlaku benda tu? Sebenarnya dia boleh form a company. Macam mana? Tapi okey lah, company tu bongok. Tapi kenapa kita